What's up, guys? Today I have a pair of Jordan 3's right here. The cement 3's that just came out. And honestly, there's a lot of videos on these. So I'm just going to show you the shoe real quick. Tell you my first impressions of it. Let's get it up close and personal. Here's the sneaker. You can see this interesting elephant print. The nice little Nike hang tag. It's pretty heavy. It seems like it's good quality. It's a Nike Air hang tag. Nike Air logo at the back. Nice little classic conventional Jordan. Let's pull out the other pair. It says Nike Air inside the sole. That's something I want to point out. I'm sure everyone knows. And let's throw these on feet real quick. Alright, we got these out. Gonna throw these on foot. First you gotta loosen them up. These do look like they fit a little bit small. And I'm right, they do feel a little bit small in my opinion. It's a pretty fly sneaker. It smells a little bit like a Jordan 1. You agree? Let me know in the comment section. Let's get these loosened up here. Finally, I have the second pair on. And I can say I understand why everybody likes these sneakers. These are pretty fly. Let me know what you think of them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel too, because I get a lot of these sneakers. And I do a good job making on-foot videos sometimes. That's the sneaker. On foot. Pretty fly if you ask me. Let's get myself a nice little thumbnail right here. Switch over the hang tag. Get the bottom of the thumbnail. What do you guys think of that? Thanks for watching. Goodbye.